local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
And man, those storms yesterday, they had a lot of heat to feed off of. In fact, in Roanoke, we hit 98 degrees. That was the hottest day since July 20th of 2020. At that point, the high temperature was 100 degrees, and still not a whole lot of relief from the heat this morning. A lot of us starting out in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Stray shower right on the Pennsylvania-Halifax County line. That is not severe, though, at this time. That is a part of the area, however, that could potentially see strong to severe thunderstorms this afternoon. You see that yellow is where that threat is slightly higher, east of the Blue Ridge Parkway and south of Highway 58. Storm threats, much like the past few days, where they do form, could produce localized wind damage and localized power outages. Anything outside of that looks to be a pretty low threat. And again, because it's got some heat and humidity to deal with. So the heat index, again, prior to scattered storms, that gets into the low to mid 90s in the mountains, but outside of the mountains could approach, if not exceed, triple digits. So here we go this morning, 8 o'clock, maybe a stray shower, but none of that is expected to be strong or severe. It's after 1 or 2 p.m. that the clouds start to bubble up, as Jenna was talking about just a few seconds ago. And there you see east of the Parkway, south of Highway 58, late this afternoon and this evening is where we see scattered storms. But also notice there are going to be parts of the area that don't pick up on rain, hence the wording scattered, right? Overnight, maybe a few stray showers, and then we do it all again Friday, though it looks like the timing of any storms Friday is going to be late afternoon and into the evening. But even still, you see that these are looking pretty scattered for us. So your extended forecast for the Roanoke Valley showing there's plenty of time to heat up. Today, high temperature 92 degrees. Tomorrow, we're at about 85 to 90. Still the chance for scattered storms heading into Saturday, at which point temperatures only top out in the low to mid 80s. We see some relief from the heat, especially by Sunday, with humidity levels coming down just a little bit. But that's brief, because look at Tuesday of next week. We're back in the low to mid 90s with scattered storms returning to the forecast by next Wednesday. Lynchburg 92. You stand a slightly better chance of seeing scattered storms today than the Roanoke Valley. Scattered storms will continue to be a part of the forecast as the heat backs off through Saturday and Sunday. But then it comes back with a vengeance heading into Tuesday of next week. In the Hill City, your high temperature about 95 by then.